Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 13b, in which we will take practice of Surah Al-Kafirun verses 5 and 6. What is Tajweed? Tajweed is to recite the Quran nicely. How? By taking care of makharij and sifat of letters and the rules of recitation. Let's first take Tajweed tip number 13. Take a deep breath. Why should you take a deep breath? Because breath takes oxygen into your system and that oxygen goes into blood and most of the blood goes to the brain. So your brain is charged. But how do you take it? Not like this. No, not like that. This is the general state. So first thing you take is, when you take a breath, is fill your stomach. Okay, fill your stomach and then fill your chest. And then release your chest and release your stomach. That's the complete cycle. So when you take a deep breath, you should not lift your shoulders. Just normally take your breath and then start reciting. Okay, so let us start. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. وَلَا أَنْتُمْ عَابِدُونَ مَا أَعْبُدُ. وَلَا أَنْتُمْ. La has a mad there and this is a wavy mad, so you have options, so we'll take double stretch there. Wala. Okay. Antum. Noon has to be hidden there. And we saw this before also. And you will learn more later on. But just try to practice like this. Antum. Repeat it. Antum. 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 Wala antum. Abiduna. A has a vertical or standing fatha there. So you have to stretch double. Abiduna. There is another mad there. Abiduna. Similarly in ma also. And ayn should be clear. A'bud. Can you repeat? A'bud. 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 Let us repeat the whole verse. وَلَا أَنْتُمْ عَابِدُونَ مَا أَعْبُدُ. وَلَا أَنْتُمْ عَابِدُونَ مَا أَعْبُدُ. And the last verse is لَكُمْ دِينُكُمْ وَلِيَ دِينٍ. This is very simple. لَكُمْ دِينُكُمْ. There is mad there. Di. Okay, دِينُكُمْ وَلِيَ دِينٍ. Again, the mad is there. So it's very simple. لَكُمْ دِينُكُمْ وَلِيَ دِينٍ. Lakum deenukum waliya deen. At the end you can stop it in 3 ways. Deen, or 4 stretches deen, or 6 stretches, and so on. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.